Hey there, everybody. I hope that you are having a sweet Tuesday. We are awaiting a phone call from the vet to see about Mr. Crunk. Mr. Crunk, it looks like, has heart disease. Now, he is 13 years old. So I was interested to know, like, the lifespan of a dog, and I found out that it was between 10 and 13 years. So, you know, if that is, then that will just be the way that things, you know, things happen. And he has had a glorious life, and we've had such fun with him. Chris adopted him from the ASPCA, and he had 7 homes. We were his 8th home, and he had been checked out and returned a lot of times. And he just couldn't get along well with other animals at all. So, you know, we were the perfect home for him. He was the perfect dog for us. And we are just keeping our fingers crossed that we have him a little bit longer, because we love him. Today, I am really keeping busy. If you have something distracting going on, I highly advise you to just keep busy. I think it's the best thing in the world to just click along and try and get things done. And I was very lucky because I had a lot of things to do. One of the things that I wanted to experiment on was painting these old Reader's Digest books. And I saw a couple tutorials online. So I wanted to go ahead and hit mine with some paint. I have a lot of these, and so I painted them, but you can see that filigree pattern kind of came through, which is kind of cool. And then I did crackle this, and I'm gonna, I think, maybe put some burlap and, you know, maybe some crocheted items on the side, but this is a work in progress. However, I did finish a little journal today. And this is going to go, I'm sorry, I got paint on this. This is going to go, I'm glad I did that because I got paint on the envelope. Oh, well. Let me get rid of this, probably. Yeah, there we go. I grabbed this envelope because I thought, well, I think I can send this first class because it is for, hold on just a second, let me check. It is 4 3/4 by 7 1/2. So, you know, basically kind of about the size that we usually work with anyway. So let me take you through this. I think we might need to go in a little bit. So close your eyes. There we go. It is a really simple book, you guys. I hope that it will, I think that it's cool that it's a 1931 book. And, you know, if you are a cook, or, you know, if you're inventive with your food, I think that this would be a fun book for you because it has recipes in it, and it also has pockets and places for you to tuck things, notes. I can imagine your very own recipes nestled between the covers of a 1931 cookbook. This cookbook was not for sale. I mean, not for sale when it was made. Of course, it's for sale today. It was, this is the 1931 edition. It has a copyright of 1930. This book is not for sale. It may be obtained only with a subscription to Good Housekeeping, which I thought that was really very interesting. So we start out with a pocket, and I did pull some imagery from a book called Kitchen Kitsch, I think it's called, with the elements in this, the pages in the book are taken from food advertising from years gone by. I also tucked in a few of these vintage recipe box recipes on index cards. This one is for bishop's bread. These are typed and put on a background. I think our friend Kathy sent those. So those are super cool because they're actually from, you know, like a 1940s recipe book. This paint is dry, so I'm just going to flip through here. I love the topics in the book. Adapting ready-made menus to meet your needs, meals of one course or more, meals that keep us fit, meals for the children. And then I inserted a few pages so you would have writing space in this. Again, you know, envision your recipes in the cover of a 1931 cookbook. I did use some what are they calling these? Vintage stacks. Somebody's calling them something. I call them Little Lucy's because we all know what that story. So you got a little tuck spot right here. And, you know, there are some of these things are sewn in, of course. Meals for the whole family, meals for two, time-saving meals, meals that fit our pocketbook. I just love it. Meals out of doors. You know, during like the 1940s and 50s, people were actually visiting the national parks. And, you know, for the first time, we were cooking out of doors as a family unit and not like rustic camping and things like that. It's a very interesting movement to support our national parks. Another sewn pocket for you, another vintage recipe. This is ripe olives, ripe olive corn pudding, which to me sounds excellent because I really do love olives. Another little sewn pocket with banana butternut bread. And I'm wondering what butternuts are. Diane, do you know what butternuts are? Diane always like knows the answer to our questions. Banana butternut bread. I don't know what butternuts are, but walnuts may be substituted for butternuts. This is, again, an illustration from the Kitchen Kitsch book, A Word About Leftovers, Methods of Cooking. You have 3 signatures of 10 pages plus pages to write here. And here's another little tuck spot right here. And these are created from recipe books, this one and others. I made a bookmark for you. That fits down in there very nicely. This is from the spine of the book. Another sewn pocket with ephemera in there. I love this. This is outdoor meals and tips for travelers. Broccoli on toast. You know, just interesting recipes. Creamed mushrooms on toast. Mushroom and asparagus parfait, a molded fruit salad, cabbage, apple, and raisin salad. I just really do love looking through here at the recipes when you serve cheese. And then we've got another little tuck spot right here. And then a little belly band arrangement right here, and there's a private tuck spot right here. And I'm going to put it in this envelope, and it will go first class mail. This book is $30. I imagine first class mail is going to make it around $35. So I hope you guys like it. A little bit different from the books that we've been doing. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys really soon. Take care. Bye.